I bought these new Hella headlights for the Volkswagen last year, and I was unable to get enough adjustment on them. They were aiming up into the trees. They got an adjuster here and another one right down there, and the adjusters are totally in the wrong spot to be effective, so I adjusted them as far as I could, and I couldn't get them out of the trees. So I came up with a solution, I hope it's a solution. So what I did is I cut this plastic one. This is like a phony adjuster that doesn't adjust. And I cut some little plexiglass pieces and laminated them together. And I am going to epoxy that spacer in there, and that should give me enough adjustment. Now this is just over a ½ inch thick. That's how far off they were. So if you ever go to buy these headlights, beware. They don't adjust very good. Personally, the old headlights I took out of it were better than these ones, so for $175, I think that next time around they can keep them. Okay, I got those little cubes of plexiglass laminated in there with the epoxy. Just leave that to set up overnight, and I'm going to leave the headlight trim rings off until I get it outside and do some adjusting. And that one, of course, I got it as well. But I won't be able to get the car outside until the driveway dries up a bit, because it's just going to be a wet muck hole out there with that snow melting, and I don't feel like getting the Corvette stuck in the mud trying to get it out of the way to pull this car out through that door. And I can't get it out through this door because the truck is still not together yet. And that might be another month or so before that happens, at least, because I'm looking at buying another set of headers from Sanderson. I've been talking to them, and there's a possibility that they may be able to custom build a set of headers for this without actually seeing the truck. So anyways, we'll see what happens when they call me back. That would really work well. I was thinking of getting all the flanges and the components and building them myself, but if they can do it there and make sure that they make it so that they do fit, then I'd be very happy.